In continuation with the chapter Indigo, our next progress of the story is that after Rajkumar Shukla had a talk with Gandhi, Gandhi visited to Champaran. So we have talked about 15%, that is long-term settlement, that is the long-term deadlock agreement and all. So at this point of time, when the farmers, a few farmers, they refused to invest in the indigo, that is synthetic indigo, which was introduced by Germany. They did not want to invest in the synthetic indigo क्योंकि the natural indigo का price low हो जाता. So at this point of time, when a few farmers agreed, a few farmers disagreed, and lastly a few farmers had hired the lawyers. They had hired lawyers. So lawyers when at this point of time when there was a conflict कि हमको invest करना है कि नहीं करना है, at this point of time Gandhi intervened. When he had a talk with the lawyers, he chided on them, if you remember the previous story. So after reaching, what all steps he had taken. सबसे पहले when he reached, he stayed in Champaran only. The main thing, he stayed back there because he felt that the farmers, he gave the farmers the arms of strength to make them very strong so that they can fight for their right. Now when he reaches to Champaran after had a conversation, the thing which he has collected, he understood that they are manipulated. The farmers are manipulated. Then the steps taken. So he approached the British landlords. Then he made Motihari the place as the headquarter. And once he was in Motihari and he received a message that in the other nearby village a farmer has been manipulated or maltreated. So on an elephant back, hathi ke upar, he was taking a ride on elephant and he was going to that village. At this point, he received an official letter, notice to leave Champaran. He received an official letter to leave Champaran. But he disobeyed. He had written, I disobey this, I will not leave. आप किसी भी ऑफिशियल लेटर को आप डिसोबे करते हैं तो उसका कॉन्सिक्वेंस क्या होता है? You will be asked to summon माने हाजिर हो जाओ, because a trial will be done on you for disobeying an order from officers. So he was locked up in a jail. जब उनको जेल में बंद किया गया, then at that time many peasants came in thousands after knowing that their Mahatma is in trouble. So next day the court room was blackened. Blackened माने भरा हुआ था by the peasants. Peasants, farmers, sharecroppers. From all the ends they came. So this was the first spontaneous, that was the action which was spontaneous. Spontaneous मतलब होता है अपने से होना, by itself. So this was the thing which was their spontaneous demonstration in thousands. This was actually talking about their liberation from the fear of British rule. Liberation माने freedom. So likewise, when he was in jail, he has written letter to Viceroy, he has written letter to Dr. Rajendra Prasad. And he asked that you come with the influential people, जो powerful people हैं, lawyers हैं, उनके साथ आप आओ. So with Rajendra Prasad, two more people came, Mazharul Haq and the other was Brij Mohan Kishore something name is there. He came. And when Gandhi asked them, now what will you do if I will go back to jail? Then they said, we have come to help you. If your are not there to advise us, we'll go back home. Gandhiji said, I'll stay back. I will prefer to go to jail. So, if you remember, I said there are two incidences. Gandhi chided on the lawyers and he influenced the lawyers. So, how did he influence, you know? जब ये सारे तीनों lawyers ने कहा कि आप नहीं होंगे हमको advice करने के लिए, then we will go back home. That time Gandhi said, then I prefer to go to jail for the support, in support of the farmers. So, this line from Gandhi influenced the lawyers. So they consulted each other. Then they said, we belong to this province. We are committed to support or take care or give justice to the poor people. Although Gandhi belongs to other state, he is an outsider, but still he is ready to go to jail. So if we go back home, it would be a bad thing. It will be a shameful desertion. माने ये जो decision हम लेंगे वो बहुत shameful होगा. So this is how he had influenced the lawyers. Now it was everything joint event. Now इसके बीच में we are talking about the simplicity of Gandhi ji. Two incidences है. पहला that along with Rajkumar Shukla, वो राजकुमार शुक्ला हमेशा डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद के घर जाते थे. नाउ राजकुमार शुक्ल के साथ he has also gone, Gandhi, to डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद हाउस. राजेंद्र प्रसाद आउट ऑफ स्टेशन थे. सर्वेंट्स ने सोचा कि गांधी भी एक अनटचेबल है, तो उनको कहा गया आप किनारे बैठो और सिट ऑन फ्लोर विदाउट सेइंग एनीथिंग. ही डिड नॉट आर्ग्यू, नहीं मैं ऐसा, नो, ही क्वाइटली वेंट एंड सैट ऑन द फ्लोर. And he was not allowed to fetch water, to draw water from well, because उनको लगा ये तो untouchable है, एक drop भी पानी का गिर जाएगा तो that entire well will be polluted. उस टाइम की सोच, that time the people used to think this way for the untouchables. दूसरी चीज, when I told you कि thousands of peasants came in the courtroom, ठीक है, तो गवर्नमेंट एंड ऑफिशियल्स दे वर रियली बैफल्ड माने कंफ्यूज्ड कि ये भीड़ को हम रेगुलेट कैसे करेंगे, हम कंट्रोल कैसे करेंगे. देन द ऑफिसर्स दे रिक्वेस्टेड गांधी, एंड गांधी एट दैट टाइम ही वाज वेरी फ्रेंडली विद द ऑफिसर्स. ही वाज वेरी फ्रेंडली विद द ऑफिसर्स. ही हेल्प्ड द अथॉरिटीज टू रेगुलेट द क्राउड. So these incidences, 2 more 3 incidences are there that shows that how did he manage. Then there is a mention of 25% settlement. 25% settlement. Gandhi agreed on the refund of 25% of the investment. जो farmers invest किए थे synthetic indigo में, उसका refund के लिए सिर्फ 25% he agreed. In the lesson I will tell you how. Then after everything gradually क्या हुआ, जो estate था वो अलग अलग सब farmers को वापस कर दिया गया. So likewise the sharecropping disappeared. ये पूरा जो long term ये था agreement था वो खत्म हो गया. And planters they left, that is British planters, they left the area. If you have seen the movie Lagan, it is similar to this. ठीक है. So there are many unsung stories about when the freedom of the for the struggle for the freedom. इसके बाद गांधी had worked, ये settlement के बाद जो सिस्टम खत्म हो गया, शेयर क्रॉपिंग का सिस्टम खत्म हो गया, उसके बाद गांधी वर्कड ऑन द कल्चरल सोशल इश्यूज. वहाँ के लोग बहुत गरीब थे, uneducated थे, so he worked on that. And then he improved, he took care of the health issues also, personal hygiene, sanitation, everything. And finally he left Champaran. So this Champaran was the turning point. This Champaran episode was the turning point of Gandhiji's life. पहला, he was not knowing till that time, जब तक राजकुमार शुक्ल से उनको नहीं पता चला कि शेयर क्रॉपिंग सिस्टम क्या है, he was not knowing. He was not knowing the place also, but because of him he came to know. Then he realized सिर्फ ये चंपारण की स्थिति ऐसी नहीं है. There are many villages where the people are, the farmers are suffering. पहला point. दूसरा point, he made in very simple words clear to the government. British को उन्होंने clear बोला, no one can order me what to do in my own country. So these are the major areas. When I will discuss the chapter, all these things I am going to explain. Happy learning, children.